that's one way. We also do this thing, Juan, for us. We call it dispatch because I just haven't come up with a better name for it. But when people are checking into their account, so for us, just to give you a little bit about our business, people don't like drive to our office, get in a car together, and go clean. They're like at their job, their full-time job, and they have a key to their account. They drive to, and we clean a lot of banks and doctors' offices. So they drive to the bank or doctor's office. They clean it by themselves, and then they go home. And that's the route. So we don't see our team members face to face a lot. So as a result of that, it can be really easy to like these people to feel like they're the only employee of the company, right? So we have this position called dispatch, which what they do is from a functional standpoint on the back end, they're like making sure everybody showed up to their account. So they're like, okay, we cleaned the bank tonight because I saw that Ashley signed in. But on the relational side, they're saying when Ashley signs in, they're sending Ashley a message. Hey, Ashley, hope you have an awesome Wednesday night. Just stuff like that. It's just making the people feel seen. And then, outside of that, everybody on our team has an individual team leader that's going to be connecting with them on a consistent basis. That's their direct manager. We call them team leaders. And so they're just making sure that person feels supported.
Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video and tell us what was your biggest takeaway of the interview. Also, follow us on Instagram at PipeHireHRM and join our Facebook group so you can learn how to hire, manage, and retain more employees in your home service business. Hey, before you go, if you're planning on hiring and growing your headcount and revenue for your home service business, check out pipehirehrm.com.